little quiet. I'm actually in my hotel room on our parents' vacation, or our family vacation. We are in Orlando, Florida. We're at Disney World. We are just having a great time with the family. But how could I not come to Florida and not go fishing? So me and my dad got a little fishing excursion that is inside one of the lakes of Disney, so that should be really fun. Supposedly these lakes are stocked really good. So we're gonna see how everything goes. This should be a good time. We're using their equipment. We didn't want to bring all our equipment down here because we already had a ton of other bags and clothes and all that stuff. I have to go to we called it Uber, so we're gonna wait for them to get here, get some breakfast before we get up there. And yeah, so I don't know which lake we're on, but I'll let y'all know once we get on the water. It should be a good time. So I'll see y'all when we get on to the water. Pretty sure that's the right of choice. It looks like a Z19, the 150 on it. This is the lake we're gonna be fishing today. It has some good reviews, so hopefully there's some good ones in here. There's a bunch of just different resorts all around this lake, but we're gonna see how we do, and hopefully we catch some fish for y'all.
50 mark. That's the new one?
No, that's not the new one.
We're gonna get cold here this weekend.
All right, 40?
Yeah.
There we go.
First one.
Number one.
On a worm. Oh yeah. This is a good one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nope.
Nah. Doesn't exercise them here. Am I recording?
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, come on, sweetie. I got you. I lost a worm. Yeah. Oh. Lost my worm though. Oh no! Yeah, look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Mwah. Sweet. Good luck. Thank you.
Oh, there we go. That's my number one. Sweet. Thank you. Oh, stay down. Yeah. There we go. Sweet. Thank you.
I got like a little flip-bait thing here. Maybe we can go through.
That one?
Yeah.
First. Real fish. Got one too. Doubled up.
Double up, baby. Yeah.
Let's go.
Pleasure, love you guys.
Sure.
Mexico.
Service David.
Sweet. We're at Walt Disney World. Got one.
That's pretty good. You have more bass than bluegill. You could, I mean, for a, there you go.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
For, you know, WDW, Disney.
There you go.
No?
Yep. Got him. Yep. As soon as I pull away from that grass, he was there. See what it is. Is it a good one? Oh, I see it. I see something.
I don't know how good though. He's stuck on something. He's still on there because he keeps.
Could be stuck on firework wires.
Ooh, he is a good one, yeah. Reel it down. Reel it down.
He's stuck on something.
Get him.
Sweet.
There he is.
I thought it was way bigger than that. Still about maybe a 2-pounder. Sweet. I need to check my line now.
Hello, baby. Oh, he got it. Oh, I love that. Got you on camera on that. Ah. Yeah. Oh, wow. You're feisty, little baby. Ah, look at that. He was. Ooh, that's a big one. In Florida, got service David. Oh, you want to grab and see? Yeah. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's what you get.
That's fair.
You're right in the sun. Let me get up hot here.
Sweet. Thank you, baby. Oh, look at her. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Fish.
You ready?
It's good. Less than 2 hours.
Awesome. I had a good teacher when I started fishing.
Yeah. Yeah, my dad didn't know I'd like fishing this much. He just got me a couple of cane poles. I was like, yeah, I want to get some casting rods. I go out by myself, do my thing.
Good fish.
We have a couple of
Oh my God, that bird got it.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Enough time to get the bird off.
Oh my
Hold
God.
on, just keep reeling it in.
Filmed. Oh my God.
Poor bird.
Reel it in as much as you can. We'll go get as much line as we can.
Right when I cast it, he just swam right, or he.
Film crews out here.
Oh, I caught a bird.
I just hope he's not hooked.
Alright, try to reel it in. Let's stop right here.
Oh, he came off. He got off.
Get off.
Yeah, I think he broke it though. No, he got it.
Alright, finally flapped his wing the right way.
I know.
Alright.
Thank you. I didn't want to mess with that one.
And this is the magazine for you guys, so you could mail it out and then you'll receive the magazine for a year.
Okay.
Sweet.
Cool. All right, thank you very much.
Alright.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Had fun.
Thank you.
Hold it in.
Yeah, I called it in.
All right, have a good one.
Alright guys, so we're concluding the trip. It was pretty fun. We caught maybe about 20 or 30. He caught a good one. They fought really hard. I was surprised for Florida bass. Usually they're real finicky and they're really active today. But we got one more trip in a little bit around 1 o'clock. We still got a couple hours. So we're gonna go back to the resort. We're gonna go get some food and then we'll get back on our trip, on our second excursion. Alright, what's going on everybody? So I'm editing this video and I filmed the outro for this, but I didn't really like it just because I had no emotion. I looked exhausted, which I was. I was extremely tired. It's been a really long week here. We've been traveling to all the parks that they have here at Disney. And we've just been having a good time with the family, but I just wanted to do another outro and say what all we did. So basically we fished inside of Epcot. So if you don't know Epcot's more of it has different countries and stuff in it. So they have a Canada section, a Mexico section, Germany, France, and just different countries. And what they do is they serve different food, just different things that they have in their culture. So whatever they have, they'll sell it. So that's why you hear different music and stuff throughout the video. But again, if you notice throughout this video, I was extremely tired because we were getting hardly any sleep, and of course we were up early in the morning. So I was just so tired. I didn't talk much. So I'm sorry for that, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was really fun, even though I didn't sound like it. It was really fun. Caught a lot of fish. We didn't catch the quality. My dad had one good one, but we still caught a lot of fish. But y'all stay tuned for the next video that we did in the second trip, where we caught a ton of big fish. I think we had about 23 pounds with our best 5 fish in this next video. So y'all stay tuned for that. I had a blast out here. We go home tomorrow, and I'm sad, but I'm ready to be back home. I'm ready to get back. I'm ready to go back on the lakes back at home. So again, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, stay tuned. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.